Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Really quickly, I'm sure you guys can tell I have my work uniform on because I have to go to work very soon. So I wanted to really quickly film a video on the Allure Beauty Box and show you guys what's in it. But first, if you guys remember my little friend Callie, who was on my channel a couple of weeks ago, I think it was in December, she brought me this little bad boy to work yesterday. So it says, do not open until the next video you film, please. So it has like a little smiley face right there. You're not going to be able to see it. Hold on. There you go. So we're going to open it and we're gonna see what's inside. Let's do it. We got a little surprise here. Oh my gosh. What is it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm gonna cry. I'm literally gonna cry. Oh my god, it's so adorable. Alright, so I'm gonna try and focus this to where you guys can see everything. It has little makeup products on it. Oh my goodness. Alright, so it says, you are amazing. It says the date, 12/19/17, and then it says, blush brush. Love your YouTube channel. And then it has lipstick right here, lovely lipstick, and then beautiful blush, and then excellent eyeshadow, magnificent mascara, and then it says Logan Lynn right here, and it says from Callie. Oh my gosh! Thank you so much, Callie. That is literally the sweetest thing ever. I think I'm gonna frame it. I'm gonna frame it, and I'm gonna hang it up somewhere. Yes, I'm gonna hang it up on this back wall, like the wall that I look at. So that way, whenever I like turn around and film videos this way, you'll be able to see it. So yeah, thank you so much. I'm going to frame it. I'm going to put it up on my wall. So thank you so much, Callie. That is literally the sweetest thing ever. That is so cute. Oh, thank you so much. All right. That is so sweet. That's literally so sweet. All right. Thank you so much, Callie. Now, let's get into the Allure Beauty Box. So, as you guys know, or you may not know, Jaclyn Hill is the one that curated this box, or this month's box. And, first off, it says, the only drama I enjoy is in my lashes, hashtag Allure Beauty Box. And so, yeah, everything that's in it was curated by Jaclyn Hill. So, let's go ahead and see what's in it. I mean, I already know what's in it because I think she like talked about it in a video or something. So I'm pretty sure I know what's in it, or maybe it was on Snapchat. But we're going to go ahead and see. So the very first thing I have, it's a $20 gift card to Bobble Bar, which I'm definitely going to be using this. I don't know if you guys saw the necklace that was in her gift guide video, but I think I'm going to buy it. And especially with this $20 gift card, it'll end up being like 20 bucks. So I think she said it was 40. So I'm excited. But this is what it all looks like. Hold on. Isn't it so pretty? It's all packaged so beautifully. I'm excited. I wanted to do this video as like a try-on type of thing, but I didn't end up working out that way. So we're just going to do it this way. But first thing that I'm going to pull out is the Orbe Matte Waves Texture Lotion. What? Texture lotion. Oh, that part's not in English. That's why I didn't know how to say it. Okay, let me read up on this. I've never tried a texture lotion, but I have tried the texture spray from this brand, and it was pretty good. It didn't blow me away, but it was pretty good. I know the spray, or this brand's pretty expensive though. Okay, what does it say? Okay, so it says that you scrunch it into damp hair, twist, and air dry. The full size retails for $42. So, kind of hoping I don't fall in love with this, because I don't want to pay $42 for this. But, hold on, I gotta let Tinsley out. We're back. So I don't know, I hope I like it, but at the same time, I'm kind of like, I don't want to fall in love and pay $42 for this every time. But if it does what it says it does, like, and it actually makes my hair look really wavy and pretty without having to do a whole lot, I'm gonna love it. So that's the first thing that's in here. The second thing, let me move to the page. Even though, I mean, I already know what this is. Like, I could literally tell you what it is. This is the Philosophy Purity Face Wash. You guys, this stuff is amazing. I literally use this in my routine every single day. It's so good. It's amazing. I just really, really like it. I will use it to take my makeup off sometimes, or I usually just use it to cleanse my face. But it's my favorite cleanser of all time, and it's really, really great for, like, what is the word I'm looking for? It's really good for sensitive skin, which I have. And I find that it doesn't dry me out or anything like that. And then my mom uses it, and, like, as I've told you guys before, like, she has really oily skin in the summertime, and then she has more drier skin in the winter. And like, she doesn't have an issue with this, like, making her more oily or anything like that. So, this is one of my favorites. I really, really like this one. And full size is $24, which that's like full size, but not like the biggest size that they make. But that's like the full size. You get what I mean. And that can actually be bought at, like, Sephora and, like, different places like that. It says that it can be bought at philosophy.com, but it can be bought at, like, Sephora and places like that. Okay, so the next item on here... words. Oh my goodness, my voice. Alright, the next item on here is the Becca Shimmery Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter in Champagne Pop. As you guys know, this is one of my favorite highlighters. This is just what it looks like. Oh man, there's a fingerprint. But this is just what, like, the little sample size looks like. I am going to pull out mine just so I can go ahead and swatch it for you. Because I am going to give this away to somebody. Like, I don't know. I think I'll give it to... I don't know, one of my friends or something. One of my friends who doesn't have it. I found it. I actually have two of these, like 2 full size of these. So, definitely not going to keep that one because I'm going to give it away to somebody who doesn't have it. But it's my favorite. It's literally one of my favorite highlighters. It's so stinking pretty. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so pretty. Literally so pretty. But yeah, the full size retails for $38, and it's worth every single penny because it is beautiful and it's amazing. So yeah, and it lasts a long time. I've had this for literally, like, I don't know, since it came out. I've had it. It's so good. Alright. So yeah, so I'm going to give that away to one of my friends because they will love that. Alright, then the next thing is... Alright, the next thing is this... Dior Show Mascara Professional Volume. Buildable Professional Volume. Dior Show Mascara. The only issue with this is that I don't like non-waterproof mascara. So that sucks. I am going to go ahead and try it though. I'm going to do, like, a first impressions on it. Because I've heard that this mascara is amazing. And I'm pretty sure that they make this in the waterproof version. I'm like 99% sure that my Sephora sells it in waterproof version. So, I'm excited to try it out. Because the Dior mascaras are amazing. I just don't like non-waterproof mascaras. So I wish this one was the waterproof one. Because then I'll love it. And I'd be so excited. But I am going to do a first impression on it still. Because I've heard that this one in particular is amazing. So... I'm excited to try that one out. Alright, we have 2 more items. The next one is the Morphe Pro Blending Brush in the M433 Blending Brush. If I can get it open. Okay. And as you guys know, I love the Morphe brushes. I think that they're amazing. I actually have this brush. Yeah, I'm, like, pretty sure I have this one. Let me look. Hold on. Yeah, I actually do have this one. This one's been used, clearly. But this was, like, their previous packaging, and then this one is, like, the new packaging, or the new, like, writing. As you can see, it's, like, different. Wish I wouldn't have touched all over this now, because I would have given this one away. I would have given it to somebody else who doesn't have it. But it's a really, really good brush. It's amazing. This is actually one that I keep in my kit. Even though it's completely, totally dirty now. I actually used it the other day for a makeup look. And I didn't want to use, like, because I have a Sigma one that's just like this. And I didn't want to use, like, my Sigma one that I keep in my makeup bag. Or my brush set. I wanted to just use one that I could get pink all over. And it wouldn't be an issue because I could wash it. And not one that I used every single day. Exactly like the Sigma E25 brush. It literally looks the exact same. There's a hair on that one. It's literally the exact same brush. Like, it's crazy. literally the exact same. This one looks a little bit more fluffier, but I think that's just because of the way it was setting in the packaging. Once I wash it, it'll look the exact same as this one. It's crazy. It's crazy. And this one is like way, way more expensive. But yeah, so I definitely love this brush. It's one of my favorites. So yeah, I'm excited to get another one. I just wish I wouldn't have touched it, because then I could have given it to somebody else who doesn't have it. But that's okay. I mean, I'll probably go ahead and give it to one of my friends and just tell them, hey, I touched it. Okay, and then the last item that is in here, let me get the thing over. This is the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. Okay, so it does say that this is really great for oily or combination skin. I have dry skin, as you guys know, and like Jaclyn Hill has dry skin too, so I'm confused on why she likes this one so much. But I mean, if it works for her skin, hopefully it works for mine as well. But yeah, it talks a lot about oily skin and how it helps to keep oil in check. But the full size of this one is $54. And you can actually get 20% off your purchase of a Veil Mineral Primer or the Vanish Seamless Finish Foundation Stick. So that's cool. I'll leave that promo code down in the description box down below. That's cool. I'm definitely going to use that because I want to get the foundation stick really bad. And if I can get 20% off, yes, please. But that is the last thing. I want to look and see what it looks like. If it looks just like the packaging. Oh, it does. It's glass too. Oh my gosh, that's so fancy. Which I know the full size is glass, but the little sample size is glass too. That's so cute. Does it have a pump? Probably not. Probably not. We're probably not that bougie. No. Just has this weird little applicator thing. That's fine. I'm still going to use it and try it out. It does worry me, though, that it says that it controls oil because I don't have any oiliness. So I feel like it's probably going to be drying on my skin. It does have an SPF of 15, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm definitely going to use that coupon code, and I'll leave that down below so that you guys can use it as well. I need to leave for work right this second. Yeah, I need to leave right now. All right, so, ow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Callie, so much for the picture. It is beautiful, and like I said, I'm going to put it up on my wall in a picture frame, and it's going to be adorable. But yeah, thank you so much, Callie, and thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys!